Introduce highlight features and quick overview of SCOZER self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. SCOZER self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner highlight features or overview summary are included. SCOZER S8 robotic vacuum with 2200 PA strong suction can easily absorb food crumbs and pet hair on the carpet. With a 2.8-inch super slim body, the S8 robotic vacuum cleaner to move under the sofa, beds, or other furniture, which makes it easy to clean the dust hidden under the furniture. SCOZER S8 robotic vacuum cleaner has Gyro Navigation technology, which can scan the entire house and automatically plan the sweeping route. The S8 sweep robot has an automatic obstacle avoidance function. When the work hits the carpet, it will automatically rise with a climbing range of 15 degrees. The robot vacuum operation on the stairs will automatically stop and return to prevent falls. The robot vacuum cleaner also has a scheduled cleaning features. Equipped with remote control, the remote vacuum robot has a variety of control methods, connected in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. And can also use Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control and real-time monitoring of the cleaning route. SCOZER S8 robotic vacuum cleaner has an ultra-high battery capacity of 2600 mAh, can support quiet vacuum cleaning for 2 hours. And will automatically return to the charging base at low power to ensure that it can be cleaned at any time. You can use boundary strips to freely set restricted areas to keep them away from areas you don't want to enter. The SCOZER S8 robot vacuum cleaner has the functions of sweeping, mopping, and vacuuming. But you must purchase 2-in-1 electronically controlled water tank and dust box separately. Note: the water tank for mop is not included. Please follow your needs, individual shopping. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.